So there are two main ways of zooming in the Insta360 Luna Ultra. You could use your touchscreen, so you can tap on that to go to 2x zoom, tap on that again to go to 3x, again to go to 6x, again to 12x, and then if you tap again, it goes all the way back to 1x zoom. You can also zoom using this slider. So if you push it once, it goes to 2x, again it goes to 3x, again it goes to 6x, and then 12x, and then now if you go back again, it's 6x, push back, 3x, 2x, and 1x. And if you want a more linear scrolling, more linear zooming, instead of just jumping from one to the other, you just push this and hold like that. Then you can stop at any zoom level, and then to go back, you just pull it and hold just like that. Thanks for watching and good luck.